What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. And here I am back again with another super cool video that can help you on your business. Yes, let's say if you are running a business of any kind and you want to promote it online on social medias with creative yet high quality graphic designs with just few clicks on your mobile phone. Yes, all of that can be done on your mobile phone. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, this is now possible with the app that can give you high quality pre-made graphic designs with custom branding to post on your social medias like let's say WhatsApp groups, Instagram pages, Facebook pages and so on. To keep your audience or customers engaged, you need to post something that could be anything that can add value and help them interacting with your content or about the best upcoming deal that your customers can grab from your business, from your shop or anything. And this is where this app will help you do that. The app that I'm talking about is Brandspot365. It is another super cool app for on-the-go graphic designs for people who are doing businesses and getting their businesses online and promoting it. I will show you how this app works and how you can use it in this video. But before we do that, let's roll the intro and start this video. Alright, so if you click on the link, the first link in the description, this is the app that will download from Play Store, which will be for free. So this is Brandspot365. As you can see on my screen, I have downloaded it already. So I'm just gonna click on it and open it. And as you can see, this is now right now opening up my home page. But if you are opening it for the first time, then it will ask you to create an account, a free account. Then you will have to enter more details about your business, like what your business email ID is, what your business website is, what your logo is, and everything that you will have to select it on the app when you create the app for the first time, like create the account for the first time. And this will be a simple procedure. You will have to put in all the details, and also one important thing that you will have to select your business category. And as you can see on the screen, there are several thousand categories. I hope there are like unlimited categories you can select from, and you will just need to find your business into these categories and select it properly. And the use of this thing is right now that if you select let's say one category from here, the homepage of the app will actually customize according to what category you are selecting for your business. And that is just great because it will be customized according to what your business is, and that is actually going to help you a lot into finding designs for your, like let's say right design for your business. So that will be easy if you're selecting your category right here upfront. So once you select that, once you create your account, once you ever do that, everything, all of that stuff, then you will open up your home screen just like this. And as you can see, this is the home page that I'm seeing right now. And as you can see on the home page, you are getting a lot of designs. Like there are so many designs you can scroll through, and you can scroll and scroll through, and there are so many categories as well, as you can see. So right now for my business, to show you guys, I have a business called Camera Shop, and as you can see there are camera designs as well, like pre-made designs that you can select and let's say create and make your own, and you can customize them according to what you now want to add on your designs. And that is just there. So you will just to click on the design to create it and post it and download it on your social media. And that is why it is so easy on this app. So as you can see, I want to show you a lot of categories. Let's say if you're going to scroll through it, let's say if you want to post say news or motivation quotes, you can do that. You just don't necessarily need to post like offers and let's say 50% off and everything like that. You can post literally anything that will be interactive and people would find it useful. So you can post that. Let's say you want to post news, you want to create something, let's say designs like this. Let's say you want to post about festivals, congratulate them from your business. And this is how the app works. So it will be updated online actually, like if a Diwali season coming in, so you will get to see similar post according to that will suit your own business brand, and you can just click on them, create them and post them to your social medias. So this is how the home page looks like. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on any random design. Let's say I've selected camera, so I'm going to go on my shop designs right here, and I will select this design. So this is a design that will open up, and as you can see all those features, all these options to make it customized. So let's say you will get to see my logo over here right now, and you will be able to see like let's say my email ID, my website, my mobile number. So all of that is already done for you. And if you swipe up, like let's say swipe right or left, you will actually get to see a lot of the designed frames according to what you have uploaded. Let's say my logo is right here, so yeah, I can just scroll through it and maybe switch places. So that is just already done for you. You'll have to just select what you need, what you like, and also you'll get to see more features below as well on the app. And this is how you can create designs. Let's say you can add branding to your branding to your design spots so that they are actually branded. And when you post them to your social media, it will also give the message and also provide proper branding of yours. So this is how it works. This is how you can create and create a designs and download it. So here you will see a download option and you can just click on it and download it. So this is how you can create custom templates. Also, if you see on the bottom side here, you will get to see a custom logo right here. So custom page. If you click on that, you'll get to see a lot of custom things right here. Let's say you can create custom design. So if you click on that, you will get to see a size option. Let's say you will select this size right here. Then you will get to see all these options. Let's say you can add custom image, custom background, or you can add custom stickers, and there are a lot of stickers by the way. So you can select a lot of them, and then you can make custom design of yours. So if you don't like any pre-made design, you can create here on the app itself. Again, you will get to see all these custom options right here. Let's say make your video option or image to video option. So it will be a slideshow. Then you can also add video templates. You can make a collage of multiple images. Let's say you have a product and you want to show all of the products that you are giving from your shop. So you can do that and create some good content. So here all of it is in customs. And also if you scroll down a little bit more, you will get to see more categories again. So these categories will be from different genres. So as you can see, there are multiple categories that you can select from. And yeah, just go through them. They are all for you. If you have to get like anything, just click on them and you can get and customize it, change pictures. You can add your own picture into it. You can add your own text into it with the same font. And this is how you can create designs. You can select all these designs. Let's say as you can see on the screen, there are multiple designs, multiple types of designs that you can select from. And that is just too easy on the app. So again, custom page is also going to help you. Again, more on that, you will go to see download option. So if you click on that, you will get to see all the downloaded designs that you have downloaded from the app. So that is just basic page. Again, move on to accounts. So here you will get to see and add, customize all of your account settings. So let's say if you want to add more categories to a business, let's say you have multiple categories other than one business, then you can also create more business categories and switch in between them. You will get to see all the customizable options. Let's say you want to add change number, you want to change anything, you can do that in the account section. So that is just going to be basic profile. Okay, so another great feature of this app is digital business cards. So if you be on the home screen like this and you will scroll through a little bit, you will find this function called digital business card. So if you click on it, this is how it will open up, and there are so many designs that you can select from, and these are all your digital business cards that you can share. So here you can see there are a lot of designs here you can choose from. And let's say if you click on anyone, you can see your old details. So these are my details right now showing over here. But then if you haven't really filled anything, then you will have to fill there from this option called edit option. So you can always edit and change, and you will have to fill in all those details. So here you can fill in details like business name, your calls, your social media handles and everything. And once you fill up that, now it will create a whole digital card which you can share to people, let's say on WhatsApp, on your emails, or you will create basically a link that can be shared on other social media platforms. So you don't have to share like particular details of your businesses. You will share this card itself, this link itself, which will actually open up in the card itself. And then you can share it to other people, your business partners, your customers, similar to that. And this is how it is going to help you a lot. And it is also like a good design also. And it is kind of a new trend, sending links and getting what you need. So yeah, definitely this is another great feature. Okay, so the next feature of this app is going to be creating your business website. Yes, you can also create a business profile, a business website that you can share, and that is now possible with this app. So what you will have to do is you will have to go on the home screen, and here you will find out this option right here. And this is kind of more of like a premium version, and this is your website option. And once you click on that, you will get to see your dashboard. So this is actually a dashboard for your website where you can actually make changes, edit your things. If you're not getting it, then I will show you how this works. So basically you'll get to see this function called edit your web profile. Once you click on that, then you will see all those things. So right now 3 of them are checked with green option, so they are submitted, like I've submitted the details for it. But basically if you click on the first one, then you will get to see all these basic ideas, like the basic details that you will have to put in. So you will have to upload your logo, your email ID, your mobile number that you want to share on the website, everything like that. So also I'm uploading my Instagram ID right here, and similar to that, you will have to upload all of your details very nicely and neatly. By the way, this is just a demo, that's why some of them are not organized, but you will have to keep in mind that you are doing it for your actual business. Once you do that, then you will get to see banners option right here. So banners are again all the designs that you want to show on your web page, and you can all just click on the plus icon and upload them. Then you'll get to see about business. So here I have written up something for my graphic design field. Then you will get to see service product option. So again, you click on that, you can add your product or your service right here. So right now for example, right now I'm adding social media Instagram post. So I will design like a post, and this will be my service. Then I will add the description. This is just like let's say Amazon or Flipkart in India, or Walmart store. And here you can see that I am writing something that is coming in my mind, but you will have to be careful about it. I will write my price here, then I will write my offer price here, and that is basically added. Once you do that, it will be go on green. Again, you will have to add more portfolio photos. So these will be the photos that will be showing on your gallery option on your web page. So that is basically creating a website, right? So right now I'm going to just randomly select some photos from the galleries to show you that how it will look in the actual web page. And right now it is uploading. You can also set up your payments method here, right here in the below. So you can just upload your UPI ID, and that is just basic. So you already know that. And once you set up all of these, then your website will be ready. Right now, once you save it, you will get to see this theme option. Once you click on that, you will just have to select your theme and just save it, and just click on the share option. Let's say once you've done everything, and just click on, let's say, any of the app that you want to share it on. Let's say I'm sharing it on WhatsApp. I can also preview it. So if I click on the preview option right here, as you can see, this is how the page looks like. And also one more thing, that this is the page, it is looking like a mobile version. It will also look good in desktop version as well. So here you can see all these details, like gallery photos are here, my contact information is here, my email ID is here, my website is here, and also you'll get to see feedback option right here. So that will be shown on your dashboard that I've shown you in the first one. Again, all of that and social medias, everything. So that is like a proper web page for your business. You'll get to see all the themes that you also getting along with the website. So this is how the website will look like, and then you can just share the link of your website from Brandspot itself. Then you can let's say share it on your websites, share it as your website, and also you can get to share it on social medias and everything that. So yeah, this is really great feature, and again, that is we are getting in the Brandspot. And this is the app, guys. I hope you will download this app and check out on your own. There are free designs available over here as well, or you can buy all of them with a minimum yearly subscription, and all the details will be in the description below to check out. Also, let me know what do you think about this video and which video you would want to see in the next episode, and maybe I will make that one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments as well. Like this video if you like it what I have said right now, and subscribe to this channel right now again to be a part of Amazing Play family. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next one.